Start. Very broadly, a PIO card holder will enjoy parity with NRIs in respect of all facilities stock presently available for acquisition and transfer of immovable properties in India, admission of children to educational institutions in India, and under the various housing schemes of central and state government agencies stop. The details of the scheme have been worked out and will be announced very shortly stop. There has been a long standing demand of our NRI brethren to provide for dual nationality for people of Indian origin settled abroad stop. This idea needs to be considered in depth before a clear cut policy can be formulated and translated into legislative and administrative action stop. Public opinion has also to be taken into account stop. The government will therefore appoint a committee to hold wide consultations, elicit public opinion, examine the pros and cons of different options, and to formulate recommendations on the question of dual nationality or any suitable variant stop. This committee shall give its report within 3 months stop. I am given to understand that NRIs who receive dividend on non-repatriable investments are sometimes being required to furnish an undertaking that they will pay tax if required to along with a certificate from a chartered accountant stop. This is an aberration since we know that dividend in the hands of individual investors is now not taxable in India stop. If more information about this is given to the finance minister, we will redress the situation stop. For years, there was strong criticism of the draconian Foreign Exchange Regulation Act stop. My government therefore introduced a bill in the parliament to replace FERA by a more liberalized and progressive Foreign Exchange Management Act stop. I understand, however, that here are reservations about some clauses in the proposed FEMA, particularly those relating to the definition of resident stop. I assure you that we will initiate discussion on this issue and resolve the genuine apprehensions of the NRIs in this regard stop. I am particularly happy to note that this conference is focusing on non-resident Indians as potential investors and entrepreneurs stop. NRIs are doing very well in their respective fields stop. By dint of their hard work and intelligence, they have made their mark in highly developed and competitive countries despite the handicap of being outsiders stop. They have substantial financial assets, but equally or more importantly, brains. They are a brain and talent bank stop. We all know that in the developed countries, particularly in the UK, USA, and Europe, NRIs have achieved recognition and commendation because of their world class technical and management skills. Now, stop.